Welcome back to English 1 class. Today we will be starting with Lesson 18 Simple Present Tense. Before starting this chapter, we are going to revise verbs because this plays a very important role in this chapter. What is a verb? A verb is an action word or state of being. For example, walk, cook, help, clean. A small introduction about tenses. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Simple present tense. Action is going on. Past tense. Action is over. Future tense. Action will take place. Simple present tense. Simple present tense tell us about the things that happen again and again. Things we do every day. In this tense, two things play very important role: singular and plural. When there is singular, we will add s with the action word. When it is plural, we will not add s with plural word. For example, he, she, it walks because the threes are singular. One. They walk. More than one, they. So we are not using s with the verb. The girls walk. Girls is more than one, plural. So we are not going to use s with the action verb. There are few points which we should always remember while doing simple present tense. I have already explained you in the previous slide about singular and plural. A few more example here. I like ice cream. Here, children, I would like to tell you one thing. I is singular, but we will never use s with the action word. Birds fly in the sky. Birds is plural, that's why action word fly. My father plays golf on Sundays. My father, singular, play, action word s with singular, so plays. This child, singular, so we are writing likes. Spider, catches. So children, think to remember is that we add s or es to the verb when the subject is he, she, or it. Now practice time. Number 1. My son, singular, lives in London. My son is singular, that's why s with the verb lives. She plays basketball. She singular. So, plays. They speak English in USA. They, more than one, plural. That is why no S with the verb speak. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs in simple present tense. Number 1. I always dash my friends. I would like to remind you here once again, I is singular, but we will never use S with the action word. I always help my friends. She, singular. She likes tea but not coffee. He, singular. He works very hard for his examination. Now for fourth point, you. I would like to tell you children, you should always remember you can be used for one person and for plural also. That is why no S is used with the verb. You eat very little. It's not good for you. They, plural. They need the teacher's help. So children, here we come to the end of the chapter. I think the concepts are clear to you. First watch this video and then do the work in your book. Thank you.